Yeah. They're very dark brown, yeah. And they're black in the middle. Yours are black in the middle and blue on the outside. Hey, Ben.
Hi.
Do you want me to take the baby?
No. But she's gonna cry when you hold her the last.
Yeah. Last night when I held her, she was crying.
Yeah. You're gonna make her cry again.
And you don't make her cry.
No. And she's gonna get happy.
Oh, she looks
But I
pretty
hold
happy.
her when you don't hold her when I want her cry. And you need to hold it with one hand. Mommy, give me my picture.
Okay.